हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 6 का कंप्यूटर का पेपर सब्जेक्टिव टाइप। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिफाइन द प्रोसेसिंग इन कंप्यूटर। द राइट आंसर इज प्रोसेसिंग इज एन एक्शन इन विच अ कंप्यूटर कन्वर्ट्स डेटा इनटू इंफॉर्मेशन। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लिस्ट एनी 4 एडवांटेजेस ऑफ यूजिंग कंप्यूटर्स। द आंसर इज नंबर 1 स्पीड, number 2 diligence, number 3 storage, number 4 versatility, number 5 accuracy. The next question is which features enable a computer to perform a task repeatedly and accurately? Briefly describe. The answer is besides being fast, a computer can do things over and over again. It never gets tired or bored. If we have to write a letter 100 times, we will get tired. A computer can write a letter even a million times but never gets tired. Accuracy. A computer is accurate and never makes mistakes. In solving problems, there is a chance that students can make errors, but a computer never does so. The computer gives wrong results only when defective data or instructions are given. Question number 2. Briefly describe the title bar in MS Windows. The answer is the horizontal bar at the top of window is known as title bar. It contains the name of the window and its icon at left corner and control buttons. The next question is write the steps to move a file to the desktop in Windows XP. The answer is number 1, open the folder to select the file which needs to be moved to the desktop. Number 2, select the file and click move this file in the file folder task pane. Number 3, move items windows appear. Number 4, select the destination desktop to paste the file and click move. The next question is write the steps to open the MS Paint from run command. The steps are number 1, click the start button. The start menu appears. Number 2, click run. The run dialog box appears. Number 3, type the program name as MS Paint. Number 4, click OK. MS Paint window appears. Question number 3 का part A है write the names of any 6 available tools in MS Paint. तो ये टूल्स के नाम हैं। इनमें से आप कोई से 6 लिख सकते हैं। पेंसिल टूल, रेजर टूल, एयर ब्रश टूल, लाइन टूल, रेक्टेंगल टूल, सेलेक्ट टूल, मैग्नीफायर टूल, ब्रश टूल, टेक्स्ट टूल, कर्व टूल, पॉलीगॉन टूल. The next question is briefly describe the color palette, foreground color and background color in MS Paint. The answer is color palette. The color palette consists of 2 rows of color boxes. The default foreground and background colors appear in the left of the color box. Foreground color. The foreground color is used for lines, borders of shades and text. A user can change this color at any time by clicking a color in the color box. Background color. The background color is used to fill the inside of enclosed shapes and the background of text frames. A user can also change this color at any time by right clicking a color in the color box. The next question is define the MS Word 2007. MS Word 2007 is one of the most popular word processing software. It is used to produce reports, messages, notes, letters and other documents. The next question is write the names of any 4 ribbon tabs of MS Word 2007. Ribbon tabs हैं Home, Insert, Preferences, Page Layout, Review, View. Describe the following components of ribbon in MS Word 2007. Tab. Tab is a collection of several groups of related commands. Groups. Groups show similar commands together. 3. Dialog Box Launcher. Dialog Box Launcher gives access to additional commands. Number 4. Command Buttons. Command buttons are used to issue commands or to access menu and dialog boxes. Question number 5 का A है define a web page. A web page is a document on the World Wide Web. It can contain text, graphics, audio, video, and links to other pages. The next question is, briefly describe the news and entertainment services of the internet. The answer is news. A user can read a newspaper online. A user can access website of different news channels to keep yourself updated. Entertainment. A user can access unlimited range of pictures, music and videos using internet. A user can also play online computer games. The next question is, describe the following buttons of a web browser. The answer is new tab button. A new tab window opens by clicking this button. Refresh page. A web page is reloaded by clicking this button. Stop button. You can stop browsing a web page by clicking this button. Back and forward buttons. These buttons are used to go back and forth among pages of a website. तो ये था आज का पेपर। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दें और इस तरह की मजीद वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।